Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the color of your Trello cards. So first of all, open up the Trello app. Now in here I'm just going to select a board. I'll go for this one. Now as you guys can see, the first two cards have a different color than the third one. Now if you want to give a color to your Trello card, just simply click on that card. Now once you're in the card, just simply scroll to the top and in here you see a cover button. Just click on it. Now in here you can select a color for your card from these colors right here. I will go for, let's say, red. And after that you can select between two options, either having a full colored card or a half colored card. I will go for the full colored card. And after that, just leave this window, just click on this X button right here, and the color of the card would be changed. So that is how you can change the color of your cards in Trello.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the colors of Trello cards. So as you guys can see, these two cards have different colors from the rest of the cards. Now to change the color of a card, just simply click on that card. Now after that, click on cover at the right side right here, click on it. Now in here, select a color that you want. I will go for, let's say, this greenish type color. Now you can select between having a half colored card or a full colored card. I will go for, let's say, the full colored card. And after that, just simply close this window. And as you guys can see, the color of that card has been changed. So that is how you can change colors of your Trello cards.